Chrysanthemums, commonly known as mums, are beautiful flowering plants that can be grown in gardens or as potted plants. Here are some steps to help you grow healthy chrysanthemum flowers. Choose the right variety. There are many different chrysanthemum varieties available, so choose the one that suits your climate and the purpose of your planting, e.g. garden, cut flowers, or potted plants. Planting location. Chrysanthemums require a location with full sun, which means they need at least 6 hours of direct sunlight each day. Ensure good drainage to prevent waterlogging, as these plants don't like to have their roots sitting in water. Soil preparation. Chrysanthemums prefer well-draining, loamy soil. You can improve the soil by adding organic matter like compost or well-rotted manure. Aim for a slightly acidic to neutral pH level, around 6.5. Planting. Plant chrysanthemums in the spring or early summer. You can plant them as seeds, cuttings, or potted plants. Space them at least 18 to 24 inches apart, as they can grow quite large. Watering. Keep the soil consistently moist but not waterlogged. Water the plants at the base to avoid getting the leaves wet, which can lead to diseases. Reduce watering in the winter to prevent root rot. Fertilization. Use a balanced all-purpose fertilizer when planting, and then feed your chrysanthemums every 4 to 6 weeks during the growing season with a balanced, slow-release fertilizer. Be careful not to over-fertilize, as it can lead to excessive foliage growth at the expense of flowers. Pruning and pinching. Regularly pinch or cut back the top inch or two of new growth to encourage bushier growth and more flower buds. Pinch back the plants until the middle of July or early August to avoid late-season flowering and promote strong blooms in the fall. Pests and diseases. Keep an eye out for common pests like aphids and spider mites and treat them as soon as you spot them. Chrysanthemums can be susceptible to diseases such as powdery mildew. To prevent this, ensure good air circulation around the plants. Winter care. In colder climates, mulch the soil around the plants in late fall to protect the roots from freezing. Some chrysanthemum varieties are hardier than others, so choose ones that are suitable for your climate. Deadheading. Regularly remove spent flowers to encourage new blooms and extend the flowering period. Chrysanthemums are known for their beautiful, colorful blooms in the fall, making them a popular choice for seasonal decorations in flower gardens. With proper care and attention to their specific needs, you can enjoy a bountiful display of chrysanthemums